Want to discover a faster, intuitive way to find information on your Android? Let's explore how to use Circle to search. Hold down the Home button on your device. Now wait for Google Now and the search bar to appear. You'll see the Google search bar at the top. Then, circle anything on your screen to search it automatically. This can be text, images, products, QR codes, or even places. Try it in different apps like the Play Store. For example, circle an app in the store for details, and you'll instantly get useful info like ratings, reviews, and related apps. If for some reason Circle to Search isn't working for you, try using Google Lens instead. Simply open the Google Lens app. It's pre-installed on most new Android devices. Then, select a screenshot from your gallery to search the content. Adjust the lens sight. Check up your results. Subscribe for more useful tricks.